Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Go! Are you kidding me? Serious?
I don't think he fits well. I think he needs to do like a little bit further up.
Right there.
No, it's all red, babe.
Oh,
He gotta go across the street, but he don't want to do that. Don't stress him out. Just go. Don't go around. Don't go around. Just wait.
Boy, that's.
We would. We cannot. We would love to, but you give us 1 second, bruh.
Car?
There's a car.
Oh,
Bruh. A car.
Idiot.
Oh, no.
Roma? Roma's like, oh god damn it. You goddamn son of a...
Jesus Christ! Holy f... What the fuck?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
I mean, you gotta use your blinker. Use your blinker. That's crazy.
Oh. You saved him. You saved that car from hitting that nigga. I think he's mad. You just saved that car.
Well, it's just like...
No reason to be sorry.
Oh my god, bro!
What?
Holy shit!
Because like here like there's no control. That's why we got so many cars.
Yeah.
What happened?
It's not looking, man.
the f is wrong with you? Okay, Garmin.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Glenda called down and she said, would you or Earl call them and ask them to come pick up this trash?
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.